everyone, it's been a while. If you watched the previous video, welcome back. This is part 2 of my training in Thailand. If you haven't seen the first one yet, I suggest checking it out so you can follow me on the full journey.
With our best moves we can boogie.
So in the evening, after I wrap up my door opening assessment, the whole class and I headed to the city together. We went to Jot Fair, right in the heart of Bangkok city. First, we headed back to our room to get ready, then we all meet up in the lobby. We're going somewhere, I don't know where, I just follow them and let them be the guide.
I'm not gonna finish it tonight.
You will. We first went to Dongmyeon station and switched trains at Bangsu. And if I remember correctly, we had to change train again at Siam. It was quite the journey.
Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. They were so afraid, and the angel said unto them, "Fear not."
Once we arrived, I split up from the group with 3 others because some of them needed to use the bathroom and another wanted to buy contact lenses. So I ended up being the tour guide for our little side adventure. After a while, we all super tired, so we met up at the center of Jot Fair to catch a taxi back to our hotel around 9 p.m. Hello guys, good morning. Anyway guys, my voice is lost because yesterday we did emergency opening the airplane door. This is everyone. Bangrat is sitting in the front. I don't know if you guys can see it. Khana. Khana mà nhỏ.
Our instructor.
Our instructor is in the front. I don't want to show his face because, I don't know, privacy reasons.
We're going to cafe.
The next day arrived, we had our slide jumping assessment. I was a bit nervous at first, but once I got into it, I actually started having fun with the jumping. The slide jumping assessment included a few different tasks like individual jumping, PRM rescue, sit and slide, jump and slide, and sliding with a PRM. By the way guys, PRM means person with reduced mobility. After finishing that, we had our lunch break and then moved on to our wet drill. So we're not gonna remove the makeup. but put this on directly on our makeup.
Đã mong khắp như sao?
Ôi châu cả sao châu.
Ở đây so của mang
có bên mua trong sọ sọ à đó mình có tặng tiền này xuống tiền họ không có gì
mong mình họ chọn ở đây lên truyền nhóm điện để sao phải lấy này thấy may rồi chi lan không mà thành viên này
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh, my.
So we finished with everything. Almost everyone is sick.
Look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Later on that day, I headed to Future Park to meet up with my friends Kim, Bai, and Irene.
we don't know what happened we don't know what just happened what happened I finally met Alex today. I just cried, guys. Look at my nose, it's still red.
It was such a nice time. The next day, I woke up at 4 a.m. for our morning departure from Thailand to Cambodia. We only had an hour to grab lunch before diving into our diagram exam. By the way guys, this exam has to be 100% correct. One mistake means failure. After finishing the diagram exam, we had about 1.5 hour break if I remember correctly. Then it was time for another exam. Once we wrapped that up, we headed to a So that's it for this video. It was a bit short, but actually it was a lot more footage, but most of it was from when I was doing the assessments, so I had to cut those parts out. I'm not sure if I can share them on YouTube, and I don't want to risk it since I think my boss might be subscribed to my YouTube channel.
My oh my, we both look so fly.
In the next video, I'll be sharing another day in my life, but this time it will be more of a recap of what I've been up to lately. It was like a month footage, so stay tuned for more adventure. See ya!